how to see Valorant store on phone. So if you want to see Valorant store on your phone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. It's available on both the devices. You need to just simply search for Valorant Tracker, and then you will have the application right here. You need to go and download the application. Once the download is complete, you need to open the application and you'll be taken to a page where you'll see the options of sign in. So go ahead and click on it and then click on continue, type in your Valorant account details and log into your account. Enter your username and password, or you can continue with your Google, Facebook, Apple ID or Xbox. Once you've logged in, you will have access to the world of information about Valorant matches. You can also see your scores, your rank and other key statistics, but here's the cool part. You can also access the Valorant store directly from within the app. You can use points to make purchases right from the app. You can buy new skins, swap out your existing ones, and explore additional customization options. And there you have it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.